Sydney Harbour would have to be one of the most beautiful waterways in the entire world. And the best way to see it is by boat. Your own private boat with your own skipper. I'm on a private water sports safari with My Sydney Boat, owned and run by father-daughter team Mark and Elodie Dalgleish. Up to 10 people can hire the boat with a skipper for a couple of hours or a whole day. It's a concept that Mark has been perfecting over the last few years.
We're kind of the opposite of all the other harbour cruises. Yeah. We want to get out and really have an adventure, so it's very immersive. We want to explore the parts of the harbour that no one else goes to unless you had your own boat.
And this would have to be the perfect boat to do that on.
It's built for day cruising. It's very fast. We can take it offshore. We can get deep into the harbour in a very short time. So we basically pack more in an afternoon. Very stable. And
it's comfortable.
It's super comfortable.
Elodie the skipper will take you wherever you want to go, whether it's to check out the big sights of Sydney Harbour or to poke around some of the flashier harbour suburbs. So Elodie, what I love about being on a boat like this is that you can sort of explore the whole harbour. Where are we now? And tell me about these houses. They're huge.
Yes, they are. So we're coming into Point Piper.
Yeah.
So we've just come out of Double Bay, and here we've just got some of the Sydney's best multi-million-dollar homes.
What a way to see how the other half lives. I'm pretty keen to get some water sport action happening. Love to try the stand-up paddleboard out here. Where's the best spot to do that?
There's probably about 90 bays and 20 beaches in total. So we tend to go to the places where a lot of the other Sydney boat operators don't go, and that's actually in our national park. So we've got 2 national parks, Middle Harbour and then also near Manly.
So that's where we're headed. But before we hit the water, there's another very important part of any harbour cruise: food. So Elodie, you've obviously catered for us today, but people can bring their own food on here too?
That's exactly right. So we've actually gotten this fresh from Sydney Fish Market. So beautiful mix of oysters and bugs. So we do provide catering, but people can also BYO, bring a picnic. They can bring their own drinks. I guess it's build your own adventure type situation.
And Elodie couldn't have chosen a more gorgeous spot to pull up.
So here we're at Flat Rock Beach, so we're in the heart of Middle Harbour. And what's so special about this area is there's a beautiful waterfall just behind the trees over there, and you can actually just kayak or stand-up paddleboard right up onto the beach and head on over.
Once we demolish this seafood platter, that's exactly what we're going to do. And I can't wait. Let's go stand-up paddleboarding. We're also throwing out the lily pad so everyone can have fun on the water. It's incredible to think that you can have a secluded bush bay experience like this right in the middle of Sydney Harbour. Paddleboarding is a great way to explore, get close to nature, and you don't even get wet if you don't want to. All you need is calm water, long strokes, and a little bit of balance. And the best thing about these paddleboards is they turn into kayaks. Why do all your exploring standing up? What a wonderful way to see another side of Sydney Harbour. I've done kayaking and paddleboarding. Now I want an activity that's a little less active. I'll just have a little lie down. Mucking around on the water has been lovely, but with a boat this powerful, I wouldn't want to pass up the chance to get a bit of speed. What a day. A few sites, waterfront houses, water sports in a national park, and a burn around Middle Harbour. How you plan your trip with My Sydney Boat is completely up to you. Find a secret spot to hit the water, find a secluded beach to have lunch, or just cruise around the harbour. Your day out on the water is completely up to you, and you don't have to be a millionaire to do it. It's My Sydney Boat, and it could be yours.
Explore the natural beauty of Sydney Harbour. To plan your own water sports safari, head to mysydneyboat.com.au.